Every cockroach must have a mother. Somebody must love them. But really, they are a menace in a home. Not only as a serious health hazard, they don't supply any of the natural fragrance we're all seeking. Put it another way, they smell. And what's the answer? We know the answer. Pest Controller Pete.
All right. Hello. Pest control, mate. This is a revisit I'm doing on cockroaches. I've had a little look through the hallway as I come through, and I'm pretty pleased with what I've done at the moment. They were up the walls, round the back. When I pulled the fridge out, the floor just got up and just moved. So I've had to treat it really, really hard.
Cockroaches are highly resilient and breed rapidly.
If you look down here, we've got a female here. If I just get hold of it. It's semi-alive. You can actually see the egg case on the back of her. You usually get about 30 to 40 babies in one egg case.
And with these insects, you have to consider the sins of the fathers.
Even if they die, the eggs will still hatch out. So they could be like sitting there, and if you put that in a bag, they actually will hatch out, and you would see 30, 40 babies hatch out.
Cockroaches, a bit like bats, come out at night.
I think these have been a bit dosed up with the poison I've used, because usually they run straight away once the light gets on them. They run to the darkest area. They'll be in grooves, crevices, holes in the walls.
Their favourite spot is rather special.
Everything wants heat and warmth, and behind these motors here, it's lovely and warm. A bit better than it was before. We had them everywhere, running around. Got a bit of evidence here, down there, a couple of nymphs.
And there's another choice spot behind the washing machine.
Look down there. You can see more of anything, egg cases, couple there, dead ones there. Basically, it's telling me, as you can see the adults here, you can see them dying as well from the stuff I've used, from the spray. We've still got a bit of a festation, but they're only nymphs. But all the adults are dying off. The eggs have hatched out, the nymphs are all running around. I think this is it, last treatment, I'm happy.
Spray them, poison them, but
do not, and I will say it again, do not step on a cockroach and kill them. You'll end up squashing the eggs, expanding the eggs all over the place, and then you'll just have more cockroaches everywhere.
The depressing thing about cockroaches is that they're not an endangered species.